Welcome to the Alphabet Zoo, where letters and animals play with you. A is for alligator snapping away. B is for bear who loves to sway. C is for cat so quick and sleek. D is for dog who loves to sneak. E is for elephant big and strong. F is for frog who sings along. Oh, the Alphabet Zoo is the place to be, learning our letters A, B, C. Dance with the animals, sing along too. There's so much fun at the Alphabet Zoo. G is for giraffe, so very tall. H is for hippo, the star of the ball. I is for iguana, green and bright. J is for jellyfish, glowing at night. K is for kangaroo, hopping high. L is for lion, the king of the sky. M is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for nightingale in the tree. Oh, the Alphabet Zoo is the place to be, learning our letters A, B, C. Dance with the animals, sing along too. There's so much fun at the Alphabet Zoo. O is for owl who hoots all night. P is for penguin waddling in delight. Q is for quail with feathers so fine. R is for rabbit who loves to dine. S is for snake who slithers and slides. T is for tiger who prowls and hides. U is for unicorn, magical and sweet. V is for vulture who's hard to beat. W is for whale who sings in the sea. X is for x-ray fish, look and see. Y is for yak so furry and strong. Z is for zebra who gallops along. Oh, the Alphabet Zoo is the place to be, learning our letters A, B, C. With every new friend there's something new. Come back again to the Alphabet Zoo. So wave goodbye, we'll see you soon, under the stars or the light of the moon. The Alphabet Zoo is always near, with letters and animals bringing cheer.